So imagine this, the same Photoshop subscription that's been draining your wallet every month, replaced by a tool that's not only cheaper, but in some cases faster. Yep, designers are whispering about something called Nano Banana. And no, it's not a joke. Photoshop users are actually switching. And today, I'll give you 5 things you must know before you even think about it. So, first things first, why people are switching to from Photoshop, the god of photo editing software, to an AI image generator? Listen to me. Photoshop is powerful, but it's also bloated, expensive, and slow on mid-range PCs. Nano Banana is marketed as lightweight, AI first, and super intuitive. Think Photoshop's brain, but with the speed of a mobile app. And now, cost is the bigger factor, to be honest. So, Adobe is charging literally 23 bucks a month for the annual build. If you wanna go with a multi subscription, it costs more. And on the other hand, Nano Banana is offering lifetime deals under $50. Yes, you heard me right. Lifetime deals. It's lightweight plus affordable. And here are some core features you will have to notice. AI powered object removal, content object removal faster than AI Photoshop's content aware. Instant background swaps with one click. Smart layers without slowing your workflow. And even the cloud sync that doesn't require 100 gigabytes of storage. This means for 80% of creators, you're not losing, you're actually gaining time. And don't worry, I have gathered some prompts to obviously I'm testing AI generator. Obviously, I'll have to test some prompts. So let's see how it can generate those. And by the way, I have gone with some cinematic, realistic type prompts so that it can. The prompt is ultra detailed portrait of a young woman in a soft, natural light, less visible, with high skin fidelity, warm, golden hour. Damn, nice. I'm impressed, to be honest, with the quality. As you can see, bokeh background with soft blur. It all the perfect blur. Apply nano bars, AI skin retouching, subtle, non-destructive. Great and nice. Let's try another one. And I'm going with every prompt I'm going with is very detailed, so that it takes a little moment to generate exactly what I want. But as you can see, I haven't even finished my word yet, and it's literally generated. Take a raw skyline photo at night, realism into Blade Runner inspired cityscape, add neon billboards. Nice. The attention to detail I'm loving the most. Great, great. Let's try another prompt. Let's see. I just, how can I explain you the attention to detail it's giving to the actual vibe? And by the way, don't think it only can generate to 1:1 since I haven't given any, fantasy environment, towering crystal mountains, okay, glowing rivers of blue energy, lush green forests at the base, bed volumetric cloud. Nice. So as you can see, it's not even a minute and it has generated this image. It's very fast, to be honest. The prompt was create a high-end commercial product photo of a wireless headphone placed in a reflective black glass surface. Add dramatic soft light above, subtle smokes in the background for depth, golden rim. Nice. Although it's not great, but yeah, it has given a pretty good result. The amount of detail it's giving actually the vibe. A sketch of a samurai into a digital illustration at cinematic armor design with intricate gold. Now, as you can see, the results. Now, just imagine how much time it would took for a Photoshop editor to, from the basic photo to the actual this edit. How much time it would took a editor? Literally a day would not be enough. And right now, it's done in the within a minute. It's not even it's not even taking a minute. And here's the thing. Before you uninstall Photoshop, Nano Banana is not perfect yet. Yes, it has advanced retouching 3D tools, typography, and heavy raw edit. You can, you know, in advanced retouching, 3D tools, typography, heavy raw editing, still nowhere close to Adobe Photoshop. If you're a professional photographer or designer who uses advanced filters, you will miss Photoshop, to be honest. So here's the bottom line. Who who is this Nano Banana for? Casual creators. If you're a student, content creator, or YouTuber making thumbnails. And by the way, video how to generate eye-catchy thumbnails with yeah, thumbnails, banners, social media posts. Nano Banana could be the smarter move right now. But if your income depends on design and you're spending layered PhDs to agencies, stick to Photoshop. At least until Nano Banana matches, to be honest. So Photoshop users are switching, but it's not about replacing Adobe overnight. It's about finding tools that save time, save money, and keep you creative. For some, Nano Bananas is already there. For others, it's a side tool, not a full replacement. Either way, ignoring it might be the real mistake. So, that's it for today. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't want to miss because next week I'm giving you the actual sauce on how to make eye-catchy thumbnails with Nano Banana. So make sure do not miss that. And yeah, if you want me to do a full breakdown on Nano Banana versus Photoshop features by feature, drop a comment below. And if you're serious about creative tools and editing in 2025, hit the subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one.